Now let's continue with the next page. Now he was tired of wandering, looking for food, and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So now this was again a problem. Frightened means he was afraid when someone strong came. Like dog is a very small animal. When a stronger animal like a tiger, a lion, if these animals were around, he used to feel scared. So he was feeling scared that he was feeling scared of his safety, that anybody can kill him or any animal can attack him, as well as he was tired of looking for food. So children, I hope you have understood that this dog who was born was a lazy one. He was not able to take care of himself. So he found a master for himself. He thought over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So now an idea came to his mind, that what if he finds someone who is the most strongest in the world and he should become the servant of that stronger person. So nobody will harm him, he will get everything very easily, and he will be safe also. So he went to search a master for himself. Now he walked and he met a kinsman of his. So kinsman means, children, you can see the meaning of the word given here. Kinsman means a relative. Old fashioned word. This is an old fashioned word. Earlier it was used in earlier English. Now it is not used, but it means someone who is a relative, someone who is related to you, like your brother, your sister, your cousin brother, your maternal aunt. These are your kinsmen. A big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. So he walked and walked. He met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. So now he found wolf, and he thought that he was very fierce. Fierce means very violent and frightening. So he was afraid of wolf. So he thought that he is the strongest. So he thought that let him ask about being a servant of him, so that he can be safe from other wild animals, other stronger animals, I must say. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am going for someone who take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So he asked the wolf to be his master, to be his servant, because this will be a safe deal for him. I don't see why not, the wolf said. Wolf became very happy and he agreed. The two of them went on together. So now they are a party. They are both moving together. And dog is acting as a servant of wolf. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. So darted means moved. You can see in the word here also. They walked, but suddenly wolf just lifted his nose and he sniffed. That means he smelled something which was dangerous. So he quickly changed his path and just hid himself in the bushes. The dog was much surprised. Dog was surprised because dog considered the wolf very fierce and very strong. But it was not so. If the wolf is afraid of someone, so that means that particular animal is much more stronger. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? So now dog is asking, why are you so frightened? Who is there? Can't you see? There is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me. So now dog understood that wolf is not the strongest animal. Bear is much more stronger than the wolf. That is why wolf is afraid of bear. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up the service with him. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. So now dog just left the wolf and asked bear to be his master because he is much more stronger according to him. Bear agreed to this readily and said, let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. So this is a very great deal. Bear is killing the cow and they both can have food also. So now dog has no problem. He is safe also and he is getting food easily also. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. Now again, a terrible noise means noise which was frightening, which was scary. And now the bear is also scared. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. Cows were also running, so that means someone stronger than the bear is also available. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now bear is also afraid, so this has made the dog again to think that maybe there is someone else who is much more stronger. So let's see who that particular animal is.